Your Subaru represents a major investment, and you rely on it to keep you safe. Following your regularly scheduled maintenance can help protect that investment and the safety it provides. Regular maintenance means checking and changing fluids and parts that can wear with use or time. It also includes inspections that can identify minor issues before they turn into major repairs. Your Subaru dealer uses only genuine Subaru parts, installed by factory-trained Subaru technicians. They know the precise requirements of Subaru features such as full-time symmetrical all-wheel drive, EyeSight driver assist technologies, Subaru's Boxer engine, and its continuously variable transmission, or CVT. Prevention is the best medicine, and following your vehicle's scheduled maintenance is the best way to keep your Subaru running smoothly. Ask your Subaru service advisor about your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule, or visit Subaru.ca to view the complete maintenance guide for your Subaru.